Alright, welcome back everybody. So today we're on stage 2 of the outside shower build, and just want to refresh everybody's memories. We're using for cost efficiency, we're using wood that we reclaimed from a previous video. So we're trying to keep, for some of you like to know as far as budget wise, we're trying to keep that in mind. So thus far we've got the 4x4 post that we purchased, the deck blocks down there on the bottom, those were refurbished, and then all the decking that I'm going to use for the outside and for the inside on the floor all came from a previous video. So today I'm going to start on this north end wall, and I'm cutting boards. I've taken the liberty to setting up kind of a jig table to the length I need. So all I got to do, I don't have to keep measuring and marking. I can just slap a board up here, bump the end, and I'm ready to go. So here we go.
We still have this large pile of lumber from the deck we tore down, which is in a previous video. Technically.
And
It's already
have probably another 4 inches.
But if I moved, then I Alright, he got one wall finished. Now let's move on to the next wall.
so we were able to get 3 sides up, or 2 sides, this side and that side. Just so in case those of you who are wondering, this is your normal deck boarding, which is 1 by, I think they call it 1 by 6, is what this is. So we're going to come back on stage 3 and finish up the other 2 walls, and then possibly even get the floor framed, come up with some kind of different ideas of what I'm going to do on the flooring. There'll be a curtain here, and then I haven't decided, this is going to be the walk-in, the doorway.
Which you won't have to duck.
Yeah, you won't,
because that board will come off.
Be gone. But I haven't decided if I'm going to build a door to it or maybe a curtain. I've got to think about that. Haven't decided. Maybe put a barn door on it even. Get some ideas. But yeah, I think we had a pretty successful day. Our 4x4s are plumbed, so we're good there. It's sturdy. Wind's not going to take it anywhere.
And here it is from the back side. This is where the hot water heater is going to go, in a little box, vented box he's going to build, and the propane tank will go back here. And this is the back side over here. You can see where the joints came together. We are liking the weathered wood, but we'll be pressure washing it too, because we'll need to stain and seal it, or we may just seal it. We may not stain it. Anyway, shower head will be over here on that side. It's either going to come up the back or just come up on the inside. We haven't decided yet.
If you haven't, please subscribe, and don't forget to like our page or our channel. And we'll see you probably about another week, and we'll go stage 3. Thank you.